Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
If u is equal to x plus y plus z, uv is equal to y plus z, uvw is equal to z, then evaluate j of x, y, z upon uvw. How to find j of x, y, z upon uvw? Today we discuss problems on Jacobian. Let us see the problem. If u is equal to x plus y plus z, uv that is equal to y plus z, uvw is equal to z, then evaluate j of x comma y comma z by u comma v comma w. Okay friends, this is 2019 and 15 question friends. Important problem. Okay, let us see the solution. Okay, he given here j of x, y, z upon u, v, w. That means x is function of u, v, w, y is function of u, v, w, z is function of u, v, w. But he given here u is equal x plus y, z, u, v is equal y plus z, and u, v, w is equal z. So rearrange the terms here. So write the given u that is equal to x plus y plus z, okay, and uv that is equal to y plus z, and uvw that is equal to z, uvw is equal to z. Now we want to write here x in terms of uvw friends. For that he given y plus z that is equal to uv. Okay, here I can substitute here, so that I get here u that is equal to x plus y plus z value is uv. That implies here I can find x value here. So x that is equal to u minus uv, that is equal to, you can take in common u, so that we get here u into 1 minus v, u into 1 minus y. This is x value, x in terms of uvw, and then y friends, y. Okay, here I can write here y that is equal to, or here also y that is equal to uv minus z, uv minus z, uv minus z, that is equal to, what is z value? uvw. So uv minus uvw, we can take in common uv, we get here 1 minus w. What is z value? Z value is uvw. Now write j of x, y, z by uvw. What is the Jacobian formula? If you don't know the Jacobian formula, please watch first video friends. So Jacobian definition is dou x by dou u, okay, dou x by dou v, dou x by dou w. Second function dou y by dou u, dou y by dou v, dou y by dou w. Third one z, so dou z by dou u, dou z by dou v, and dou z by dou w, Now x is here, x is dou x by dou u, derivative of u is 1, so that we get here 1 minus v. So that is equal to determinant of, we get here 1 minus v. Dou x by dou v, obviously a derivative of u with respect to v is 0 here, derivative of v is 1, so that we get here minus u. So minus u. Dou x by dou w, there is no w, so the value with respect to w, u and v are constant, so the value is 0. So value is 0. And then second row, dou y by dou u, Dou u means derivative of u is 1, we get v into 1 minus w. V into 1 minus w. Dou y by dou v. Again here derivative of v is 1, we get u into 1 minus w. U into 1 minus w. Dou y by dou w. So here dou y with respect to w, u is constant, uv is constant, so the value is 0. Derivative of w is 1, so that we get a minus uv. So we get here minus uv, minus uv. And third row, dou z by dou u. Dou z by dou u means we get vw. Dou z by dou v means uw. Dou z by dou w means uv. Okay, uv means vw. Okay, dou z by dou v means uw. Dou z by dou w means uv. Simply expand the determinant, friends. Expand the determinant. That is equal to 1 minus v bracket multiply with u here, we get u minus uw into uv. Minus, already we have minus into minus plus uv uw, so that we get u square vw bracket close, minus, already we have minus here, minus into minus plus u into first row second column. So we get here multiply with v here, so v minus vw into uv, minus into minus plus uv into vw. Uv, that means here we get a u v square w, plus 0 into something is 0, something we get here, the value is 0 here. So that is equal to 1 minus v into 1 minus v multiply with the uv, friends. We get here u square v minus here u square vw minus plus u square vw, minus plus cancel here. So bracket close, plus u into multiply with the uv, we get here uv square, okay, minus here we get minus uv square w plus uv square w bracket close, minus uv square w plus uv square w cancel. So that is equal to multiply with u square v, then we get a u square v minus u square v square. Multiply with the u here, we get a u square v square. Simply plus v square u square minus u square v square cancel here. Finally get here u square v. This is the value of j of xyz upon u v w. This is the value, friends. Okay, once again he given u is equal to x plus y plus z, uv is equal to y plus z, uvw is equal to z. Then what he says, find j of xyz by uvw. Okay, he given uvw in terms of xyz, friends, but we need here xyz in terms of uvw. For that I know here y plus z is equal to uv, so y plus z is in place for y plus z, I substitute uv. Okay, then I get x is equal to u minus uv or u of 1 minus v. Now from second and third equations, y z means uvw, so I substitute uvw here, uvw, that means y is equal to uv minus z means uvw. Okay, now here I can take in common uv that is equal, uv into 1 minus w, friends. So finally z is equal to uvw. Now I write here I get xyz in terms of uvw, friends. Now I can find j of xyz by uvw. Write down the formula, friends. Simply find the derivative, expand the determinant. Finally I get here u square v. If you have any doubt in the problem, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.